folks, welcome back. Hope you're having a great day. And just finished watching my Bengals try their best to give away. They pulled it off at the end. But happy game day. It's Sunday. I know a lot of people are out there tailgating, so kind of doing a little series here of tailgating food, or in my case, game day food. And this is a very practical meal we're going to do here. We're going to do some steak fajitas. This will easily be done at any tailgate party, just a small grill. Maybe not as much as what I'm cooking, but hey, you can get the job done. So guys, let's get started here on some steak fajitas. This white onion. I don't want a whole lot of onion. Me and the wife will probably be the only ones that eat them. You guys got a nice little red bell pepper we're gonna slice up here. This into some long strips. Get some of that seed out. Right on in there with the onions. I get some pretty color in here with this yellow bell pepper. Keep this theme going here with some orange. And leave it to me to forget to hit record. Never done that before. I just tossed this with some olive oil a little bit. I didn't go real heavy, but olive oil and some of this Malcolm's Grande Gringo. I've used this before, some of his Mexican seasonings. Really good stuff, guys. Okay, I was in the store yesterday looking for some flank steaks, and I found some, and I looked at the price, and I realized, you know, I got some strip steaks at the house. Probably be more economical. That's sad, but it's true, guys. So we're doing fajitas out of strip steaks. Just a little bit of olive oil. You know, I like to keep it simple. And some more of this Grande Gringo. Good stuff, guys, I'm telling you. Check out howtobarbecueright.com. I'll put a link below. What seasoning smells awesome. Love it, guys. We're gonna flip this over and do the exact same thing, guys. As soon as this grill heats up, we'll get all of this going, guys. Ooh, that one's hot. Alright, let's get things going here. I'm gonna pull my screen basket. You know, I get asked all the time about, are you not pan frying these? This is actually a screened basket. I'm actually grilling it. Just kind of keeps everything in one place. Get these veggies in here going, and we'll check back here pretty often and just give these things a turn. Guys, it ain't been but a couple minutes. We can give these things a turn. We'll be pulling these in direct before too long. We're gonna get our steaks on here. Love this, guys. Is that not beautiful? All right, just a few more minutes. It's just been a few more minutes, but said this ain't gonna take us very long. They're gonna stay on here, but we're gonna go indirect. Give these a good mix. We're just gonna move this to indirect, guys. Indirect, and we're gonna get some steaks on here. Look at those guys go. Not even sure this is legal, guys. I meant to add a little mesquite wood there. Now we're talking. goodness. This is what we're talking about right here, boys. Got some tortillas wrapped up in foil. I'm just gonna stick back over here so we can get them heated up a little bit. Put up our veggies. Beautimous. Alright guys, let's take a look at these. It's time to pull these out. Oh yeah, this is beautiful guys. I'm so ready. Oh my god. Alright guys, we're gonna pull these off. Get these vegetables off of here. We're gonna go inside. Of course, you know the drill. I'm gonna get my family fed. We're gonna come back in and build us a fajita. Give these steaks a little try here. Cut them pretty thin. Looks good. Smells even better. Good medium there. I'm okay with that. Let's build us a couple fajitas, guys. Some of this beautiful beef. Some of these onions and peppers in here. I always overdo these. Get some red in there, make it all pretty. Just a little bit of mild salsa there. Can't do it without a little sour cream. I cannot wait to get a bite of that. That is beautimous, guys. Beautimous. Get a bite of this. Guys, I love that seasoning. It is, that's what makes the whole meal. Tell you what, another bite. Certainly getting that mesquite wood I added to that. Doesn't overpower anything, so I just added one little chunk. Wow, guys. It's actually a very simple, not real hard to put together. Just a little prep time up beforehand. Great game day food if you're out tailgating. That'd be very easy to make while you're tailgating. So guys, thank you so much for joining us again. Got some more tailgating game day foods coming to you in the near future. So guys, again, thank you. And until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.